Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sous vide cooking with the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what sous vide really is. If you're new to this cooking technique, sous vide, pronounced sous vide, involves cooking food in a temperature-controlled water bath. This method delivers consistent, edge-to-edge perfect results with virtually no risk of overcooking. It's not just something the pros do. Now, you can achieve restaurant-quality meals right in your own kitchen. The Anova Precision Cooker 3.0 is an upgraded version of their original model, which launched back in 2014 and sparked a home cooking revolution. This third generation brings some significant improvements that make it easier than ever to achieve perfect cooking results. One of the standout features of this cooker is its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. With this upgrade, you can enjoy improved connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control your cooking from virtually anywhere in your home. Whether you're working in the garden or relaxing on the couch, you can keep an eye on your meal with just a few taps on your smartphone. Speaking of control, the Anova app is another fantastic feature. It's free and allows you to adjust time and temperature directly from your phone or through the two-line touchscreen display on the cooker itself. This user-friendly interface makes it quick and easy to see exactly what your food is doing at any given moment. Now, let's talk about practicality. The adjustable clamp on the Anova Precision Cooker makes it compatible with nearly any pot that can accommodate the minimum water depth requirements. Whether you have a large stock pot or a smaller saucepan, this cooker can fit right in, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Plus, the removable stainless steel skirt means cleanup is a breeze. Just twist it off and either wash it by hand or toss it in the dishwasher. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking and wants to elevate your culinary skills, this sous vide cooker is a game changer. It's perfect for home chefs who are eager to try new techniques, as well as for busy individuals who appreciate the convenience of meal prepping. The ability to set it and forget it means you can prepare meals in advance without worrying about overcooking. Now let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and having perfectly cooked steak waiting for you, just ready to be seared for a crisp finish. Or consider the ability to cook vegetables to perfect tenderness while maintaining their vibrant color and nutrients. You can also experiment with sous vide eggs, which can be cooked to your ideal doneness with the push of a button. The possibilities are endless. For those eager to expand their culinary repertoire, the Anova app offers a subscription service. For a small monthly fee, you gain access to a treasure trove of sous vide educational content and cooking guides. You'll find recipes from professional chefs and the food nerd community, which feed directly to your cooker. This means you always have a wealth of inspiration at your fingertips, along with the ability to save your personal recipes and cooking history. In summary, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With its modern features, user-friendly design, and endless recipe possibilities, it's an investment that can elevate your meals to new heights.